Hi guys, hi YouTubers. I just thought I'd put a video up today. I had a question by one of my downline members and one of my online platforms. He said to me, "Do I really need a blog if I promote my business online?" Well, good question. I believe yes. The reason why, because I'm using my blog as a base, a good base to get people coming into my blog and looking at my offers. Okay, I've got loads of offers. I'm a marketer, full-time marketer online. Have been for about say 12 years now, and I have a lot of products and a lot of promotions I'm doing. So yes, it's important. It really, really is. And plus, people want to know who you are and what you do. You know, it's so easy to send out sales pages or option forms, but they don't really know who you are. But having a blog is a very, very good base for if you're serious about having an online business. It really is because you can get your new products or your promotions, and plus you write your blogs every day, okay, and you're getting organic traffic, and also you're getting email traffic as well if you promote an email list, okay. So you're getting two bites of the cherry, okay. That's my take on it, and I believe people always want education, and in education within the online industry is very, very important. You want to know what's going on with the industry, and you want to keep up. And having a blog, you're getting a message out there, okay, and also you're getting, well, personally, I get very, very good opt-ins, and plus you're building trust, very important, okay. And I'm using this as a base. And also when I'm also blogging to other platforms like Google Plus, and doing guest blogging. I'm building my list that way and my business that way, so I'm getting more eyeballs on my promotions. And also, if I'm promoting one product, okay, they're looking at the product, okay, perhaps they might be interested in another product, which is on the right hand side here. So I'm getting 3 or 4 bites of the cherry here, yeah. Yes, it is important to have a blog. That's my opinion. And meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. I just thought I'd get it out there and ask a question. And obviously, if people are interested in building an online business, PM me. All my information will below the description box below. And also send me a message, and also visit my blog. There might be something interesting for you to have a look at. You might be interested in crypto trading, or getting traffic, or buying crypto. I have lots of offers in my blog, and also you can have a look, check who I am, okay, about me, contact me. I have good traffic sources. I have been doing this for about 12 years, so I've got good traffic sources, and also the digital products I do promote, and um, and that's my recent blog posts. Please come in and have a look and see what you think. And let's have a look at the end of the day, because this is my living, my full-time living, and this can change your life. Having a blog is a necessity if you're working online and you're working from home. Okay, it's just like a business premises. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it.